Welcome to OFR. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to disassemble this Malm Twin bed frame with 2 drawers from IKEA. I also have a tutorial on how to assemble this bed frame, which I'll leave a link in the description below, so after you move, you can easily put it back together. All you need for this disassembly is a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, some pliers, a 1/4-inch wrench, a 1/4-inch Allen key, and a 1/8-inch Allen key. If you want to speed up the process, you can also use a drill with the Phillips bit. So first, you'll be taking apart the drawers. It's not necessary, but if you want to see how it's done, these next steps will show you how. So flip the drawer over and unscrew these 4 casters. I'll show you how to do one and then repeat the same step for the other 3. Also, put all the hardware into a plastic bag so you don't lose them in the move. Now grab the 1/8-inch Allen key and unscrew these 9 screws. I'll show you how it's done for one of these screws. Then take off the bottom of the drawer as shown. Then flip the drawer up, unscrew these 4 camlock nuts, and take the back drawer piece off like this. Now pull out any exposed dowels. Then unscrew these 4 screws. Now unscrew these 4 camlock nuts and disconnect both side drawer pieces like this. Then pull out any exposed dowels. I also recommend that you put some tape over the camlock nuts as they can be lost during your move. Now unscrew these 4 screws. Then repeat the same steps for the other drawer. Now let's focus on the bed frame. First, you'll have to take off the slatted bed base. Then unscrew these 2 screws. Now disconnect both ends of each metal support. You'll be unscrewing a total of 3 screws. Then if you want, you can unscrew all 4 plastic holders. I'll show you how it's done for one of them. Next, you'll have to remove both rails. I recommend starting from the middle and leaving the last 2 screws on each end for last to minimize damage. The whole process will look like this. Now grab the 1/4 inch Allen key and unscrew all 4 wheel locks that are located close to the footboard with alternating half turns. When you feel no resistance, that's when the wheel lock is fully separated. Then disconnect the footboard like this. Now you can gently pull out 4 wheel locks with pliers. I found that needle nose pliers make this process easier. You can also use tape to cover the wheel locks so you don't lose them in the move. Then pull out any exposed dowels. Now with a wrench, you can unscrew these 4 long screws. I'll show you how to do one side, and then repeat the same for the other. Then go to the headboard with your wrench and unscrew these 3 nuts. I'll show you how it's done for one, and then repeat the same step for the other 2. Now you can disconnect the top of the headboard like this. Then pull out any exposed dowels. Next, unscrew these 3 screws. Again, I'll show you how to unscrew one, and then repeat the same step for the other 2. Now grab the 1/4" Allen key and unscrew these 2 wheel locks with alternating half turns. Then disconnect the sideboard like this. Next, pull out both wheel locks and any exposed dowels. Then repeat the same steps for the other side. And finally, grab your wrench and unscrew all 4 screws. Again, I'll show you one side, then repeat the same thing for the other. So now you're done with disassembling the Malm Twin bed frame with 2 drawers from IKEA. Again, if you want to reassemble the frame, I'll leave a link in the description below. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.